Okay, so hi everyone, and in this video we will see like how we can exploit our target, perform few scans, and based on the outcomes we will proceed further. Let's ping our target IP. Okay, so this one is our target IP 192.168.0.183. Okay, this machine is vulnerable and we will see like how we can exploit this thing. So if I am trying to ping, then you can see like I am able to ping. So we can say that we can reach out to the target without any disturbance. Now our first task is to enumerate the service on the target machine. Okay, so we have a command called nmap-sv. Okay, here I will add one more tab, -capital A, so that it will be little more aggressive. So during the scanning, when we press a space key, then we will be able to see like what all the progress is there. So after running the commands, we can see here we have something called SMB security mode. Okay, so our first and foremost target is this SMB protocols. So let's map out the SMB. So first we will try to map out our SMB, and for that we have a command called SMB -h and then target IP. So we already know our target IP is, so here we can see like we have a profile, print, and IPC. So for the print and IPC we don't have access, but we have a profile access. So we will try to explore this profile, and then we'll try to read out what's all is there inside the profile. So this is on the target IP, it's not in our inside personal system. Now here if I enter the command called SMB map-h target and then r-profile, then it will list out everything which is inside the target machines inside the profile. Okay, we can see that there is a heap secret.txt, and our end goal is to get this file and have a look into it, like what secret message inside this. So basically this heap secret.txt file contain a flag, and our end goal is to get this file and extract the flag. So the main purpose of doing this is we are scanning the target system, and then we are trying to get some file, and we are not authorized to do that, but even though we are doing, because this is the penetration testing and of the IP, and now we are exploiting our target machine. So now when we use SMB clients, our target IP/profiles, then it will give access. Now I need to enter my local machine password, and here we go, we got the SMB access. If I give ls, then I can see that there is a heap.txt file, and if I run the command like get, okay, and if I hit enter, then our file will be loaded. Okay, so I have already downloaded this file. So try to open a new terminal, and now press cat and then h. Okay, so now you can see the flag inside the heap secret.txt file is, this was a rabbit hole. So we have successfully retrieved the data from the target machines and extracted and exploited. So this is all about the SMB exploration.